Let's make delicious low-sodium egusi soup. Welcome to Yoyo Ndoke's kitchen. For this recipe, I'll be cooking with goat meat, some cow tongue, and I added some bouillon seasoning, some crayfish. We are going to stir nicely, and then we'll now add stockfish. We want to cook everything together. So you can see this stockfish is actually gave me tough time in the kitchen, very dry. So at some point we had to take out the protein and allow the stockfish to cook. After cooking it for a while, this is what we got. So we are now adding dry wash fish into our pot. We are forming our soup base. We stir nicely, cook for 2 minutes before adding red oil. So for the palm oil and quantity, please make sure you add according to your preference. Next will be our Scotch bonnet pepper. So we cook the palm oil down for another 2 minutes, added the Scotch bonnet pepper. For this size of pot, I added 2 large Scotch bonnet pepper. Feel free to adjust according to how you tolerate heat. Thank you guys for watching this video. So the next will be our periwinkles, okay? Washed and clean. So we added the periwinkles into the pot, and you can see it's already melting as the heat touched the thing dissolved. To avoid adding a lot of salt, we added oporo. You can add this oporo as a whole without blending it, but I prefer to blend it. So this is going to help you, limit the quantity of salt or sodium you add while giving your food the flavor you desire. After 3 minutes, we added our egusi and as well went on to add some crayfish on top of the egusi to infuse more flavor and taste into the egusi. We stirred gently, and then you're going to cover to cook about 8 minutes. Guys, at this point, make sure you're cooking on a medium heat. Don't cook on a high heat, it's going to burn. So regularly you check to make sure it's not burning. After 8 minutes, we stirred nicely and everything looking good. We added more proteins, we added prawns, and we added some stock because we noticed the food was very thick. So feel free to adjust according to how you like your egusi. And I added some mushroom because I'm a big fan. If you don't like mushroom, Biko, please skip this part, okay? So guys, our soup is looking more like it, looking ready, looking very delicious. Like I said, low sodium. What we did was to infuse a lot of oporo and then crayfish into the food to avoid adding salt. Next was the vegetable. At the point of vegetable, feel free to add uziza leaves if you have it, or ogo. And if you notice what I did here, I added the spinach, covered it to steam before stirring. Guys, our soup is ready. Let me know what you're going to pair this with. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and follow our video. Thank you guys.